Before starting, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Open your phone, open up any browser and start up Google. Search box, type FDMR and just type the person name for whom you wanna make ringtone for. After that, just follow up the steps. Either open the first link or the second, wait a bit for opening the link. After the link has been opened, scroll and press the shown button. Now press on download. Pop-up page will appear. Click on download button, wait for the MP3 to be downloaded. Once downloaded, let's test it.
Someone is calling you, Mr. David.
You can see
Please
it's
pick up
ringing
the
with
call.
name of David.
Someone is calling you, Mr. David. Please pick up the call. Someone is calling you, Mr. David. Please pick up the call.